Hi guys, welcome back. So what I have today is this Casio digital watch. The model number is W-218H-3AV. I'll have that printed on screen shortly. Okay, so I have this for a couple of months. So this watch has the basic specification is that it has 50 meters water resistance. So the size of the case from left to right is about 43.2 millimeters, and lug to lug, lug to lug of about 44.4 millimeters, and thickness of about 10.88 millimeters. Okay, it comes with this resin strap, rubber strap, which is actually decent, but I have this nettle strap which I ordered from Shopee, and I think it's from China, but I couldn't get a strap that matched the size of this lug, because the lug here is about the lug size, the lug width with this Casio is about 18 millimeters from here to here, whereas this one is 20 millimeters. Okay, so I just like to have a strap which matches the case itself, even though it's not really that matching, but it's very near with the color. Okay, so what I have done is actually I just cut with scissor, with scissor a little bit on the tip, on the edge, on the edges, both sides, left and right, on the edges. Just cut a little bit of it, a small bit, and the same goes with the other one over here. You can see that here it's not really that it is not really cut in alignment with the other one on the left side, but it is actually enough to fit in the 18 millimeter lug size. So if I measure it up, so it is about 20 millimeter, whereas the lug size over here, as you can see, lug size is about 18 millimeters, right? So let's try this out. Okay, so I have removed the strap, so this is just the case. So now what we are going to do is to fix this one in. Okay, the other side, and also this one over here. So now it's really fit perfectly in the lug. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so the first one is completed. Now we move to the second one. As you can see here, that I have cut a little bit too much over here rather than on the left side, but I think it still fit the lug. Let's try it in. Okay, so here it is. Now we have, even though it's not perfect, especially on this side over here, but now we have a matching case and also strap. At least it's matched a little bit. You can see here this one is different kind of green, and this one is military green. It's better than the black one, which is actually a contrast, right? So let's try that on my wrist. Okay, so welcome back, guys. So this is how it's look on my wrist. I have a fairly small wrist, which is about 6.5 inches. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I think we have a different kind of watch now. So we have a matching NATO strap and a case which is green. Even though the color didn't really match perfectly, but I think this is okay. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you think you like this video, please do subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye. Ooh.